Hi, I'm Dave Kirk with Epiphan Video. We're here at our ISE booth 2020, and I'm here to talk to you about the Pearl products. We started a few years ago with the Pearl 2 and then introduced our Pearl Mini version of that. And these are encoding products, hardware encoders that will mix, switch, stream, and record. And we wanted to show today just the Pearl Mini. It's completely integrated with Kaltura and Panopto. So in an education or a corporate environment where you've got a content management system like that, you can connect these in and completely control them from the CMS. They become a slave encoder, so you can have events that are all scheduled and managed through your CMS and have Pearl Mini record them all, upload the files automatically, and just make it a very easy, simple, reliable solution for lecture capture or for streaming town hall meetings in a corporate setting. It's just a very easy, simple, reliable device for live video streaming. A couple of the other features we've added pretty recently for those kind of environments are security features. So things like 802.1x, HTTPS, to make sure everything that's coming in and out of the box is encrypted and everything's securely transported across your network. So that's what we've got kind of going on for the Pearl products here at ISE 2020. I'm Dave Kirk. If you want more information on these products, go to epiphan.com and you'll find everything you need there.